Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to access and complete your upcoming tax year questionnaire from your accounting firm using SmartRequestAI powered by SmartVault. This video will guide you through every step, so you know exactly what to expect. When it is time for you to start your questionnaire for the new tax year, you will receive an email from your accounting firm. You can access the questionnaire by clicking the link in the email, which will take you directly to the SmartVault login page, where you will enter your credentials to get started. If this is your first time logging into SmartVault, you can create your password via the link in the activation email you should have received from notify.smartvault.com. If you have not received this email, please reach out to your accounting firm. Once logged in, you will be taken directly to the questionnaire start page, where you can enter questionnaire, work through each section, answering the questions as necessary and applicable. Some questions may have already been pre-filled with information from your previous tax return, if it was available. Please review and update anything that may have changed. The questionnaire is dynamic. If you answer yes to certain questions, like having dependents, for example, additional fields may appear for you to fill out. Progress is shown at the bottom of the screen, helping you track how much of the questionnaire you have left to complete. Some questions may prompt you to upload supporting documents. For example, W-2s or 1099s. Use the Attach or Upload button as needed. You will also have the option to take pictures of documents from your phone, which will convert to PDF upon upload. If you need to pause and come back later, click Save and Close at the top right. Your progress will be saved and you can always return later to complete. To continue where you left off, simply log back into the SmartVault portal at my.smartvault.com, where you will then see a highlighted area on your SmartVault homepage labeled Requests are pending. Click View and respond to requests, and choose the correct tax year. In this example, tax engagement, 2025. You will then be back at the start page for your questionnaire, where you can add or delete uploaded files, or jump back into your questionnaire, where your saved responses will be waiting for you. When you're finished, click Submit at the top right to send your completed questionnaire and uploaded documents to your accountant. You'll receive on-screen confirmation once you submit along with a confirmation email. Your accountant will also receive a submission email, so no need to alert them as well. After submitting, if you wish to review your uploaded documents, you can do so in your SmartVault folders. Log into your SmartVault account and go to View Files and Folders. Select the appropriate tax year folder and open the Request Docs subfolder. Here, you can see all documents you've uploaded and even add more files if needed. If you have trouble accessing your questionnaire or uploading documents, contact your accounting firm for assistance. You can also reply directly to your invitation email for support. Thank you for helping us streamline your tax preparation with SmartRequestAI. Your timely responses help ensure your accountant can complete your return efficiently. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.